New to MuleSoft? Let's break down how it helps you automate workflows and connect data fast. MuleSoft is a powerful integration platform that connects your apps, data, and AI systems into one smart network. It all starts in AnyPoint platform, MuleSoft's main tool. You can design APIs, automate workflows, and manage integrations right here. Let's create a simple flow that connects an HTTP request to a database. This is done in AnyPoint Studio, MuleSoft's low-code IDE. Drag and drop connectors for services like Salesforce, AWS, or OpenAI. These act like bridges between your systems. Once your flow is ready, deploy it to Cloud Hub, MuleSoft's managed cloud, or run it locally for testing. You can monitor traffic, usage, and performance from AnyPoint monitoring. It scales with you, no extra coding needed. MuleSoft saves dev time, avoids code overload, and helps team integrate fast, especially with AI-powered workflows in 2025. If you're diving into tech or building for the AI era, MuleSoft is a skill worth learning. Got questions? Drop a comment and don't forget to follow for more no-fluff tech tutorials.